In this video, we're going to show you how to remove hail damage. We've got a big hail dent right there. We'll give you a better picture here in a minute. And we're going to do this with some Eastwood tools that we have. It's glue tabs, and we're going to show you how to do that. And today I have helping me Abigail.
Hi guys, I'm Abby.
So she's going to be helping me out on some of these videos, and I think you'll enjoy it. Now we're talking about paintless dent repair, PDR. Glue tabs one way. You also got paintless dent repair rods, but these can't get everywhere, and that's where glue tabs come in. And this certainly isn't a DIY method. It takes a lot of skills, a lot of practice to get this down, and a set of these are very expensive. So the glue tab's a good alternative to that, and even the professionals that do the PDR, they will use glue tabs in hard to get areas where you can't get to with the PDR rod. Now the way you look for hail damage is you use the lights. You just look into the light and you can spot them. So if you look into that light, you can see this real big hail dent right here. So yeah, you're using the reflection to find these hail damage.
So for starters, we want to go ahead and get the surface clean. We want the glue tabs to have a nice clean surface to stick to. What I have to clean is just some paper towels and isopropyl alcohol. You don't want to get anything less than 91% on the alcohol. They do make some alcohols that are 99% in spray bottles that you can get, but 91 is what we're going to use today, and that is perfectly fine, what you can just get from the store. Eastwood puts in this little spray container, so if you buy your alcohol, you can just put what you need in here, spray your surface area, and you don't have to waste as much. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this down and get this clean.
And it also comes with this reflective board, and what that does, I don't know how well you can see on camera, but you look at the lines, and where the dent is, the lines are either going to get thicker or smaller, and you can kind of see where that dent's at, how the lines kind of identify that dent for you. Okay, here we're just showing you some different angles and how the light helps identify the dent.
Alright, so we've chosen this tab for the size of the dent that we have. So we're just going to put some glue. Oh. That much?
Yes.
Squish that down all the way. Then we're going to let it sit for at least 30 seconds to a minute.
Now this is a pretty good size hail dent right here. And usually when you're using these glue tabs, you can't just get it just right. You're probably going to, in order to get it out, you're probably going to have to over pull it and actually make a high, and then we'll tap it down.
Okay, so the top of the tab has a little lip on it, and right in here you just slide that in there. And adjust to your size. Just going to give it some light pulls to maybe loosen up the metal a little bit, and then pull. Alright, so that was our first pull. I'm going to spray this on there. Also got a little plastic scraper in the kit. Maybe get at the edges a little bit. You wipe it off and go ahead and see.
Okay, so that took a majority of the dent out. There's still some there. If you look at those reflection lines there, kind of help you see that, where they might get a little closer together or further apart. There's still a little bit of a dent there. It probably is not that noticeable, but we're going to go ahead and make another pull, try to get that all the way out.
Alright, so I went ahead and grabbed another tab that was a size down from that last one.
We still got a little bit of the dent there. I'm going to tap down around it just to relax a little bit. See if we can get rid of some of that. And if you ain't got a hammer for PDR, you can just use a body hammer and flip around and use the handle. Okay, now we have a very small dent. You'd have to hunt to find it, but we're going to do one more pull. I don't know how well you can see this on camera, but if you look into the light, move back and forth. Now we've got the little bit of a high, so we've got it pulled enough. Now we just need to knock that high down. Okay, if you can see the dent, it just looks like almost like some heavy orange peel right there. It's just barely there. We could try to pull it again and raise it and tap it down, but I think that looks pretty good. That is not near as noticeable. If you remember how it was a big hell dent, and now you'd really have to search for it to be able to see it. So that worked out pretty good. And that, my friends, is how you pull a dent using Eastwood's glue tab kit. You know, this is a kit good for the DIY. It's not that expensive. It's not like your PDR rods or anything like that. And for more information, you go down in the description, and there's a link that goes to Eastwood's website, and you can learn more about that. And also, I'd like to mention Abigail. She's just getting started into this, and she's doing a great job. We'll be in some more of these videos, upcoming videos, so you can be looking forward to that.
Yep, happy to be a part of the videos and new into the industry and learning and all that. So
thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.